How to fix VLC player's very slow startup at the first playback. So here's a video on the timeline, and I double clicked on it and the VLC player should open it, and we have to wait quite a few seconds until VLC player finally decides to open that file, and we will see how to fix that problem. Okay, so that was the first startup, and the second one will be much faster. As you can see, it's almost instant. Okay, so let's see how to fix that problem, how to make VLC player start quickly from the first try. Go to the start menu here in Windows 10, go to the settings wheel, update and security, it has that circular arrow. Here on the left side, Windows security, it has that black shield. Virus and threat protection, another shield. Let's maximize this window also. Now on this window, which is virus and threat protection, here at virus and threat protection settings, we have manage settings. Click on manage settings. Now go down to exclusions. Add or remove exclusions. And into this list we have to add the installation folder of VLC player. Go to the start menu, type in VLC, there's the VLC media player, right click on it, open file location. Now here's the shortcut, shortcuts have an arrow in front of them, so right click on that shortcut also, open file location. And now that's the executable that does not have a shortcut in front of it. And we need the installation folder, which is shown up here. So copy that text, copy, minimize this window, click on add an exclusion folder. We want to exclude the entire installation folder of VLC, and paste in here to folder the path that we just copied, and click on select folder. And VLC player's installation folder was added to this list. Minimize that window. And now VLC player should start much faster. It's instantaneous. But if I remove that VLC player from the list, remove, then VLC player requires a lot of time once again to start up. So the slow startup is because of the Windows security, this antivirus. If I add the path of the installation folder once again, it started, then VLC player will start quickly once again. Now it starts quickly because it was already started. As you can see, it's quick. But if I add the same folder, paste in, select folder, is there. Now it's still quick because it's added to the exclusion list. But if I remove it once again, then VLC player will start slowly once again. I started it and we have to wait when the cursor shows it. There was the circular icon, and we have to wait quite a lot until the Windows security is scanning VLC player. Okay, so let's add it back. Folder, paste in that VLC path, select folder, and VLC is quick once again. So that's how to fix the slow startup of VLC player under Windows.